So many yummy veggies! Neni Kids! Hey everyone! Click the subscribe button! Come on, subscribe now! Yay! Thanks for subscribing!
Good morning, sun, up you rise, shining softly in the skies. Little children wake and say, hello world, it's a happy day. Good morning birds, tweet, 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 tiny dancing happy feet. Stretch your hands big and wide, smile and shine with joy inside. Brush your teeth clean and bright, make them sparkle shining white. Up and down and around we go, healthy smiles begin to glow. Wash your face, splash, 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 water jumping in a dash. Clean and fresh we start the day, laugh and giggle while we play. Put on clothes red or blue, choose the ones that smile at you. Button up and tie your shoe, ready now for something new. Breakfast time, yum, yum, yum.
Hey everyone, click the subscribe button. Come on, subscribe now. Yay! Thanks for
Food makes
subscribing.
bodies strong. Eat together, sing a song. Out we go into the park, morning bright from light to dark. Butterflies fly high and free, dancing near each flower and tree. Run and jump and clap your hands, build big castles in the sands. Share your toys and laugh out loud, kindness makes us feel so proud. A for apple red and sweet, B for ball that we can beat, C for cat that says meow meow. Learning letters starts right now. Count the numbers 1 to 10. Let's all count together again. 1, 2, 3, jump with glee, learning numbers happily. Help your friends when they fall, kind hearts matter most of all. Say please, thank you every day, good manners show the way. Clean up toys before we go, keep things tidy, nice and slow. Working together makes it fun, cleaning time for everyone. Afternoon, sun shining high, clouds are floating in the sky. Read a book and learn something new, dream big dreams waiting for you. Draw a star,
Hey
a
everyone,
rainbow
click
bright.
the subscribe button. Come on, subscribe now.
Color
Yay!
magic feels
Thanks for
so right. Paint the world with happy art, creativity from the heart. Evening comes, the sky turns gold, stories waiting to be told. Family hugs and laughter near, love and warmth we always share. Dinner time, sit and eat, talking makes the meal so sweet. Thankful hearts before we sleep, happy memories we keep. Twinkle stars begin to glow.
Hi friends, please subscribe and like, and ring the bell.